I'm getting ready to hopefully watch this launch go off. You should go check out this YouTube channel. They have really good information on all the launches that lift off from the Kennedy Space Center, also out in California and in Texas. But hopefully this one will not be postponed. We have been having lightning in the area, so we shall see. I have a feeling we probably won't see very much of it once I do go outside and film it from the front yard, because it's really cloudy outside and we probably won't see it. And also it's going in a northeasterly trajectory. If it goes south, I can see it better, but we shall see what happens. Hopefully we'll be able to see this. And there she goes into the clouds. Let's see if we hear it. All right, we can hear it.
Stage 1 landing burn.
And there's that call out for landing burn startup of the Falcon 9 first stage.
Landing light deploy.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And there you saw and heard the call
Stage
out.
1 landing confirmed.
There you saw and heard the call out for successful landing of our Falcon 9 rocket. We also heard the call out for SECO 1. Again, this was the fourth launch and landing for this first stage.
Well, you probably couldn't hear the rumble that well because of our neighbor's air conditioner. Oh well, thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.